If you've worked hard to build up some savings, the last thing you want to worry about is whether that money is safe. Most people think, well, I've put it in the bank, so it must be fine. But the truth is, there are some simple rules you need to know to make sure all of your savings are fully protected. Here's the good news. In the UK, we have something called the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, or FSCS for short. Think of it like an insurance policy for your savings. If your bank ever went bust, the FSCS promises to pay you back up to £85,000 per person per bank. To put that into perspective, if you had £50,000 in savings with a bank that failed, you'd get the full £50,000 back. If you had £100,000, you'd only be guaranteed £85,000 back, meaning 15% would be at risk. Other countries have similar schemes. The US has the FDIC with $250,000 of cover, and Europe has €100,000 and so on. But here's the bit a lot of people get wrong. The £85,000 limit isn't per account, it's per bank license. So if you've got 3 different accounts at the same bank, say £100,000 in a savings account, £50,000 in an ISA, and £50,000 in a joint current account, that's £200,000 in total. But only £85,000 of that is protected if the bank fails. The rest, £115,000, would be at risk. The trick is spreading your money across different banks. For example, if you put £85,000 in Bank A, another £85,000 in Bank B, and another £85,000 in Bank C, then all £255,000 is covered because each bank comes with its own £85,000 of protection. It's a simple way of multiplying the safety net. Even if one of those banks collapsed, your savings would still be safe. So if you want to keep your savings safe, remember 3 things. First, know the protection limit in your country. In the UK, it's £85,000, in the US, it's $250,000, and in the EU, it's €100,000. Second, don't assume more accounts at the same bank means more cover. It doesn't. And third, if you've got more than the limit, spread it across different banks to stay protected. For example, if you're lucky enough to have £170,000 in savings, putting it all in one bank would leave £85,000 at risk. But splitting it across 2 banks makes sure it's all covered. And that's it. With just a little bit of planning, you can sleep well at night knowing your savings are safe, no matter what happens to your bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos just like this one. If you're keen to learn more about personal finance, be sure to check out theindustryportal.com, link in the description below. Thanks so much for stopping by, and as always, keep growing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.